Hi guys, it's Alan here, the Digital Mentor, and I just wanted to jump on and thank everyone for joining us last Thursday for the Digital Mentorship Programme for August, and it is running over 4 weeks, and we are delighted to share, well, I am delighted to share so many great insights with you and help you to navigate the digital landscape. If you're still interested in joining the course, you can still do so. We have the replays of the first week available now. They're all up on the platform that we are using, and also there's so many great downloads as well each week that we're going to be giving out to help you to further enhance your digital marketing as well. So if you are interested, please do register today. You can go to the website at thedigitalmentor.ie / digital mentorship program. You'll see it on the top bar. And we would be delighted to have your company. And the great thing about this course is if you miss out any of the live sessions, which happen every Thursday night between 8 and 9:30, you can catch them on the replay the next day or the following day after that. So it's one of those courses that you can use again and again. You have a lifetime access to it, so they will never disappear. They're going to be there for you to implement as you need them as well. And if you need to refresh on certain areas, you can go back and you can watch the videos, and we'll give you the step-by-step guides of how to increase your visibility online. Here's a little sneak preview of the session last Thursday night, so I do hope you enjoy it. As I said, if you want more information about the course, visit thedigitalmentor.ie for more details. Have a great day, and here's a little sneak preview. I want to talk about the digital marketing fundamentals, the components part of it, okay? But the main important reason that you want to be doing digital marketing is to reach your target audience. Content marketing, very, very important. We're going to talk a lot about content marketing and how we can deliver the right type of content to the right audience. So content marketing comes in all shapes and forms, in blogs, in posts, in your website, digital output, wherever it may be. So content marketing is very important. It's also your images that you put out, your videos, the links to other content that you deliver is all content marketing. It's all about building the content out and putting it out there for people to enjoy and get value from it.
Book your place today on the August Digital Mentorship Programme. Register at thedigitalmentor.ie, increase your digital marketing skills today, and avail of Alan's wealth of digital marketing experience. Course includes a weekly live session, digital handouts, check sheets and ebooks, video replays and bonus content. Don't delay. Book your place today, and remember, be social.